Yeah. And also here, coming from outside, and right there, that is WMDC. Go subscribe, guys. You see our problem now. We met online end of 2017, and then we decided to start to travel around my country first, which is Tanzania, and showing him deep down before we start traveling international. So around October 2019, that's the first time we meet in person for the first time and join as a travel family and start hitting the road together. Then we decided to make YouTube videos to show people all over we travel. So if you don't understand, please watch the previous videos to understand where we started and where we're going. And don't forget to subscribe and share. What's up, guys? My name is William. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Today I just want to show you my hotel room tour. Okay, I just want to show you quickly because I have no time actually. And here is our hotel. Okay, actually it's kind of lodge, not really hotel. It's a lodge. Okay, here we are heading to reception, but our room is somewhere out here. You see, we are going somewhere there. Okay, our hotel room tour. Okay. Here is the way we stay. Okay, I just want to show you very quickly. This is my bed. We have a kitchen here. Here we wash our dishes, cups. Okay, we have a microwave. Can boil your water. And up here we have our foods. Yeah, and you cannot, as you see outside, we have a fridge, fire extinguisher right there. So if I sleep and I feel like there is a fire, I just take a fire extinguisher and then boom. And we have a big bed this side. Robert is sleeping here. Can you say hello?
Hello, hello.
Yeah. He was playing his phone, a little bit tired actually coming from outside. And right there, that is WMDC. Go subscribe, guys. You see our problem now. Okay, and our bed actually had this. These are the heater of the bed.
Yes.
You see the cable is coming until someone. I'm just talking with my audience here. You see, guys, for you guys who grew up in the villages or you are in town, but unfortunately we don't have these things, so you can take a chance. When it is cold, you just switch somewhere here and then you're there, but you must turn on the somewhere there. You see, you can feel hot in the whole bed. That is what we did the first day we arrived. Okay, and this light here is for this small light. You see, both sides, that one and this one. We have the air condition here. Okay, here we pack our bags, backpack, our boots and stuff like that. We are here, by the way, since the day before yesterday, the day we arrived. Okay, my bag is right here. This bag, you know the story. If you don't know, go watch my video why I'm always traveling with this. Yeah, here I'm trying to arrange some files, all video that I record every day. External is there, my food is there. It's like that, guys. Okay, my phone, things like that. And this cable is a charger for this laptop. I'm just using that. Oh, you changed it.
No.
It changed itself. Okay, no smoking. Okay, this is washing room. We have a door. Maybe you'll be asking like, huh? There is no. We have a door here. Oh, let me turn on the light so that. Where's the switch? Wow. There's no switch. Robert, no switch. I want to turn on the light. I don't see the switch.
Yeah. Press the light.
To the toilet?
Yes, both. One toilet and one.
Oh, 2 in 1.
Yes.
When we switch on here,
No.
in this, we at the same time we switch on there.
With that and the
I didn't know, guys. You see? Okay. You see? Here the place where we are living. Abambero, here we are. Abambero, here we are. We have a hot water here and cold water. Ooh. Oh. Okay. We have a very big mirror. Okay. And this is our toilet. And we have this. It's like everything. You see? Our door is like this actually. Bathroom. No. You see? You can feel like maybe no. This is how this mirror is. You see? We have a hot water and cold water. Okay. This soap. Shower gel, shampoo for your hair. You can put a soap right here. And I like these things here because even if it got wet, you can't slide. I like this. Most places we are going to sleep, the places is totally slidey. When it gets wet, slide. You can even break these doors. And there is something like to wipe your feet, like, you know. Wow. Yeah, the place is very clean. And we pay something like, let me go out because you guys will start judging me like, you now talking in the toilet or in the washing room, what, you know. Okay. And here we are. And everything, especially these things, they have the names of the guest house. You see, let's give them a shout out a little bit because they are very clean. Very, very clean, guys. You see? You can do your work here. If you have a laptop or you have some notes, meetings and stuff like that, you can just do. And the place is full decorated with Africans pictures. Wow, warriors. Okay, I like these lamps. The bed is so big. Anyway, guys, let me say thank you very much for watching this video. And let me show you outside, guys. Oh, yeah. Port Elizabeth, you see, it's like everywhere they are advertising their things. It's like every corner. Anyway, guys, let me say thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're a new one. I forgot to show you down here, but okay, these things, yeah. Give a like this video, and if every day you're watching my videos, you forget to subscribe, man, please do me that favor. Do me a favor. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye for now. Yeah. And also here, outside hotel room tour. Okay, let me close it. Okay, and the cost guys is $450. $450 is like $24, 20,
Yes.
23, 24 US dollars per night. So that is the cost per night. Okay. It's a family room, by the way. Wow. This is a single body, guys. I thought maybe there is another floor on top, but no. You see? Okay. Watch till end. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new one. Give it a like. See you. Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Checking now.
Well, enjoy your
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to Welcome DC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to David.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.